Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to give Robux to people on Roblox Mobile. Let's get started. To start, the person receive Robux must first create a Game Pass on their account. Have them open Roblox and tap More in the bottom right and scroll down and tap Create. Then tap the three lines in the top left and select Creations. And after that, choose their place and time it twice if needed. Tap the three lines again and select passes and monetization. Scroll down and tap create a pass. Give it a name and add an image and a description. Then tap create pass. After it's created, tap the pass again. Then tap the three lines and then go to sales. Turn on item for sale and set the price to the amount of Robux you want to give. Now that your Game Pass is ready, you can give the Robux. Go to your account and find their profile, then tap view full profile, then go to creations, then tap place and scroll to the store. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.